My name is Gerry McNamara. I'm from here from Ennis, County Clare. I sing a good bit and have a lot of songs. I'm going to sing a song for you today to refer to the late Robbie McMahon. Robbie McMahon was a great singer here in County Clare, and he was known worldwide. And he was the man that made Spancel Hill song famous. And his singing goes on and on. So the song I will sing for you, as I say, it commemorates the late Robbie McMahon. It's of a great singer to you I will recall. His name is Robbie McMahon, the greatest of them all. He was born and reared in Spancel Hill, a hilly and lovely place. And his singing roused up many's the heart and brought smiles to many a face. In his early years, our Robbie went to drum band of school. I often heard my mother say she met him on the way. But like many another lad before, he was not to be bound by rule, for the love of singing brought him forth, and to this he did give in. And he became a master of singing, and writing many a song. 'Tis many the cold and wintry night Robbie set out for home, having sung for friends from near and far, and some from across the foam, from Killaloe to Milltown, Ennisdiamond to Ennistown. There wasn't a soul who did not hear of that singer of renown. 212 was the year that Robbie passed away, but we are glad and happy that his singing lives on today. For many of his friends now, though one or two are gone, they always think of Robbie McMahon, that roving singing man. And now to conclude and finish my story of this great man, I want you all to favour me and think where'er you can. And before you leave this house tonight, make sure you think of Robbie McMahon from Spancel Hill, that mighty singing man.
Good man,
Thank you very much.
But that is beautiful, rich singing. It's a voice. I don't know. It's bathed in magic. Gerry, where are you from?
I'm from Crusheen, or I'm originally from Crusheen. So I'm living here in Ennis since 1971. I go to an awful lot of singing sessions, music sessions. I'm very much involved in sport. GA matches, hurling matches, football matches. And I would be very well known, like, you know, I love our Irishness and our culture and what we have as a nation, as a people. I sing a lot in Doolin in County Clare. And up in Doolin, we get people from all over the world. And they really love our music and song. As a matter of fact, I was only there last Friday night, and we had a most wonderful night of music and song. So, as I say, people come up to me from all over the world. They love our song and our music. So, thanks be to God that we have that, and thanks be to God we can share it with the people and welcome our people to our country. And everybody to come to County Clare is one of our top counties in Ireland as regards music and song. So, as I say in Irish, Céad míle fáilte roimh go léir. 1,000 welcomes to you all.
Má fearthú, Gerry, agus go raibh míle maith as bheith an seo, okay, agus árán úntach. Okay, go raibh míle maith.
Go raibh maith.